Again, this is just for my family, so I'm...
As you double dip your finger into this batter. You guys, we're making a yummy dessert today. We're making Giada's Tiramisu at home. So if you don't have to go to the restaurant, we can just make it ourselves. So Gina, are you ready to start mixing?
Let's do it.
First thing we need to do is we need to make our custardy mix. And it's very simple ingredients, so there's not too much to it. The only thing that I'm not sure about, and Gina, I think that you and I discussed this briefly, was that so we have 6 egg yolks, but we're not cooking it at any point. So it makes me a little nervous, but I'm gonna trust her. Okay, so to the egg yolks, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. I looked at some other recipes, and their recipes call for like half a cup or a full cup of sugar, but Giada only calls for 3 tablespoons. So because of that, I did 3 heaping tablespoons. When I say heaping, it just means that I don't level off the spoon. Whatever I scoop up, if it's above or high, I take it anyway. Okay, so next we have to add in a little dark rum. So I read online that you can use a substitute for rum. You can actually use rum extract. So the recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of dark rum, but it said that if you're gonna use extract, just use 1 tablespoon. So that's what I'm doing. Gina, what are you doing?
Imitation rum. That's what the store had. All right, I'm adding my rum.
Oh no, Gina, we weren't supposed to add the rum yet?
No, we are. Just half of what the recipe said.
No, it's the espresso, not the rum. I already added my rum in. No.
Oh no! So did I. Oh well. It's not like it's real rum.
A tablespoon of espresso. Okay, so we're just gonna mix the mascarpone with the espresso with our egg mixture for 1 minute. We're gonna get started on our little coffee mixture. So we're gonna add in our espresso and a tablespoon of rum extract if that's what you're using.
What do you use if you're using imitation rum? You use the whole bottle.
Okay, so next we're going to start assembling. So first thing we need to do is take our little ladyfingers and you're gonna plop it into the coffee mixture, but only for like a second. Drop it in and take it out.
I'm soaking mine for 5 seconds. I think that's what the recipe said.
Yeah, you know, I did mine for like 2 and it's already crumbling.
Must be my imitation rum. It's fine. They're fine.
So after the first layer of ladyfingers, we're gonna put a half of the custard right on top.
Again, this is just for my family, so I'm...
As you double dip your finger into this batter. So Gina, do you like Giada? Oh, yeah. I mean, I've always admired her. I've always loved her personality and her cooking style.
I remember an episode where she was a guest on Ellen. She was trying to teach Ellen how to say spaghetti the correct way. And I think she said something like spaghetti or spaghetti. Like it was really different. And Ellen's like, no, that's not right. I'm not saying. This is a lot of liquid.
Yeah, mine's soaked up most of it.
Can you do anything with the liquid after?
Wait, you still have a lot of liquid left over?
Right?
Mine's almost gone. I have enough just for 1 more.
What? These are ladyfingers, right? Weird. Worst case, mine won't taste espresso-y enough, even though I soaked it longer than Kat did.
So either I did it right or Gina did it wrong.
It's the same thing. Your 2 choices are the same things.
Gina, I actually looked online just to compare Giada's recipe to everyone else's, and a majority of them had in cream of some sort. Either they made whipped cream and then they folded it into the mascarpone, or they put cream into the mixture and then fluffed it up. So I don't know, maybe that's the difference. Okay, in the fridge it goes for 2 hours. See you guys later. How does yours look?
White.
Yours is white. Do you want to see mine? Okay, you have to look at mine.
Oh, I do see yellow. Oh.
Yes! The next step is that we're supposed to garnish the top with some shaved chocolate.
I'm gonna do mini chocolate chips because that's what I had on hand.
Ooh.
And I'm just not in the mood to wash yet another thing with the shaved chocolate. I was really curious as to why you soaked up all your espresso and I had so much left of mine. So this is what I got. It's called Marguerite cookies. It looks like ladyfingers, it's the same size, it's the same shape, and I googled it. It is different than ladyfingers. So you can still use it, it's a good alternative. The only difference is that you have to soak it for a couple minutes. My 4 to 5 seconds was not long enough. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's dig in. And I have a knife in case it needs like really cutting. Mine's good. Bread's great. The cookie's great. It's not soggy. It's not hard, crunchy. It's just like regular. And the custard, I was tempted to add more sugar, but it's fine. I'm glad I didn't add any more sugar.
I mean, it's good. I still wish it was fluffier. I still wish that the custard was a little bit fluffier the way I get it. Like when you go to a restaurant and you get it and it's like really
And it
thick
sits,
and
yeah.
like a little bit fluffy.
Mine worked out great. It was perfect. And then I used imitation rum and I did use 2 tablespoons and I think that worked out great. I could taste the coffee. I used, it said XX espresso, so I didn't know if it was double the normal espresso. So I don't know if I'm gonna get any sleep tonight. So thanks for joining everyone. I hope you had fun watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time. Bye.